What do you swallow? Why do waka they had you?
I don't understand. Why
they waste my time.
They waka you only make I work my own.
They waste my time. Time is money. They make me the waka small.
Now me send you they do barrel push.
Why can't you walk? Why can't you walk?
I cannot walk.
Why?
Because I cannot walk.
What do you swallow?
I don't tire now.
No use your own, spoil my own. Time is money, I beg. Okay, they waka for front. Which kind of breeze?
Okay, they go. Make I they go, I beg.
For the past 2 hours, you just slow me down.
They go now.
If you waste my time, if you reach there, you got money from you. You got money.
Okay, they go.
Don't be make you fat.
Okay, they go.
If you waste my money, if you waste my time, you go add money for me.
Okay, they go.
You have to walk small like say you swallow engine.
No verse, okay, they go. I did your back.
Walk fast. Time is money. Walk fast. Time is money. No sign of weakness.
Sandra, how can you ask a man in this village to give you 30,000 naira? Not even a man that have something doing. A man they push we Barrow. No one give 20,000. They hold 20,000. If you agree, do.
Tima, can you just shut up and stop making noise? This is my relationship we are talking about. Besides, I didn't put a gun on his head when asking him for money. I didn't even force him to agree to doing whatever I want. So what are you saying?
Did he force you to accept his proposal? Or you look when he said me accept? When you look 7,000 out of 20,000, that guy gave you 7,000. Yet you're still complaining. Why?
I don't know what your problem is. Can you just allow me handle my relationship the way I want it? You can handle yours whenever you get yourself a man. But for now, allow me to enjoy it. This money is not even enough. I asked for 20k and he's giving me 7,000. Well, I'm not bothered because it's not like I really wanted to date him. I'm only doing him a favor by dating him. You know, these things with low class and high class of a thing, I'm just trying to manage. Oh, please, just leave me alone.
High class, low class. So you don't know that he's low class when you accepted him? A man on a standard again. Let me tell you. You know who Emeka is? Abo in disguise. The day you break that boy's heart. Hey, Jehovah. I can't you guys give no their hand. We better push us iron. Or normal boy. Ubiega kante. Oh my God, gap again that day. Kidnap I did not tell you. Sandra, tell that boy you don't love him now. So you will go and you will go.
Really? So I should just come to me and say, Emeka, I don't love you now. So what happens to this little money he's giving to me? Well, he said he's going to complete the money before the end of today. But for now, happen, Maka. Oh, Dimma, leave me alone.
There will be no umbrella to cover you.
Papa, we, your children, are gathered here once again, just like you instructed. And I do not know the reason why you convened this meeting and how important it is for you to have called me and my brother to come back home. So we are here now. Tell us what the problem is.
But the way you put that thing, can you say once again as if I'm calling you for meetings all the time? No, now. But in any case, I thank you for honoring my invitation. I sent for you because I am terribly disturbed.
Yeah, Papa, we know you're disturbed and that's why we're back. The way you sounded on the phone shows you're really disturbed. So, what is the reason for you being disturbed?
It's actually about the chieftaincy title I talked to you people about the other time. I want to take that title. Honestly, I need it.
Is it the Ugobuzuo title?
Wow. So I really need you people to help me with it. You see this community, they will only respect you if you have a title. And that is just small, tingling respect. They will only take you seriously if you have many titles. In fact, the respect you have is a function of the number of titles that you have. So that is why I want to take this one. Please, just do this one for me, Biko.
Papa, if I'm not mistaken, you already have 4 chieftaincy titles to your name. Why add another one? In this harsh economy, it doesn't make sense to me. Please, this is not what we should be discussing.
My husband, I don't understand. What is all this? What do you need all these titles for? Will it take you to heaven? Anyway, I hope you're not planning to tell my children to spend money on this one after lavishing millions of naira on your previous ones. Because I will not allow it to happen. Man up your me.
Yeah, woman. Who asked you to talk? Men are talking, you are talking. What do you know about chieftaincy title? Tell me. What do you know? Yeah, if I hear your word here again, Makachuku, I will walk you out of this.
It's okay, it's okay.
No, don't tell me it's okay.
It does not go into that.
Idiot. Look, my sons, I want to beg you, don't listen to your mother, okay? I want you to do this thing for me. Even if it is the last you will do for me before I die, I can rest peacefully in my grave.
No, Papa, you will not die.
Amen.
You won't die.
Papa, I don't want to sound rude, but I'm disappointed in you.
Emeka.
Is this what we are supposed to be discussing? I have been begging both of you to give me at least 1 million naira so that I can start up something in this village. Give me money, I'm tired of being a barrow pusher. You people said no. So I was expecting my father to call you people and ask you, or better still, order you to raise money for me so that I will start something. Are you not ashamed that the younger brother is a barrow pusher? But no, he left all that. And asking us to gather money again so that he can take Ugobuzuo after 4 titles. No, Papa. You are bringing problem upon yourself and us. Because when you die now, all these chieftaincy titles, they will start demanding for money. This one will say 3 cows. This one will say 23 cartons of stout. Give money before you die, you.
Emeka, keep Papa out of this. I remember we were telling you to write your JAMB. Go to school and become a graduate. You said no. Instead, you prefer being a barrow pusher. Look at you. Pushing barrow everywhere in the markets. This is what you have designed for yourself. So why are you blaming us?
Yes, let me ask you a question. Ileke, must everybody go to school?
I didn't say that.
Good. Are you a graduate?
I am not a graduate. That's why I wanted to go to school.
So Kevin Asutariano, shut up.
Emeka, stop that.
What nonsense are you talking about?
No, shut up.
Yes, now.
Your elder brother, shut up.
Why can't you give me money? Are you not ashamed that your younger brother is a barrow pusher in this village? We should talk about that, not talking about chieftaincy title again. I've said my own. Make sure you keep money before you die. Nobody should stress me. No problem.
Where are you going?
Go TV.
No, where are you going? You think I need your money for burial? You are talking as if you made your money for them. Lazy.
Papa.
Let me curse you.
Papa, please. Don't mind this, but you know you have BP.
I don't have BP. I reject it.
Papa, don't worry. Don't mind Emeka. We'll put your request in consideration, even though it's the last thing we're going to do for you before you die.
Yes.
Before.
Well, Papa, it's okay. There's no need bantering words with Emeka. How much is this chieftaincy? How much are we looking at?
That is the right question.
Mama, let's go.
Don't look at me.
My guy, how far now? This one you're not smiling. Hope so that woman pay you well,
Oh, but now, the woman paid me, but the load was very heavy, and then considering the distance I had to go, drop it, then come back. Hey! Seriously, this is our job, The money, in fact, I'm not feeling the money, but she paid actually. And you know it's my first job of the day. I never put anything for stomach. That's so body they prepare me.
My guy.
My whole waist.
My guy. It's not today you started doing this job. You know how this job is. It's a very stressful job. But at least the most important thing, she paid you well now. At least.
I will not lie. When it comes to money, she paid me. But this is our job now, so for man job.
My brother. One day all these things will end. Just calm down. I believe all these things will end very soon. Let us suffer the suffer now and enjoy later.
Are you seeing any enjoyment? Because you are speaking from a fit angle.
I will talk now. At least we need to give ourselves hope.
Wait, I haven't seen Emeka or his Barrow. Where is he?
Emeka? He went to deliver goods for that. Is a big customer now. You know, Emeka is cashing out. Once he goes to deliver goods like this, he comes out with
that
big money.
Man that used to come and buy provision. Emeka is lucky. You know, those provisions now, they don't used to be heavy. And the woman pays.
My brother, see, I'm praying for that kind of customer. Not the ones that you carry something from here to this, they will give you small money.
Huh?
My brother.
This is the kind of money I need.
I'm telling
Not
you.
when, like, today, as you're seeing me now, I'm going to buy painkillers. The money she paid, I'm going to divide into two and buy painkillers. Or else tomorrow I'm not coming to work.
Now. That's our work for you, my brother.
Yeah.
We don't have any option. We don't have any option.
I hope you don't do any work today.
Well, you're back. Brother, welcome. Brother, what is it? What's wrong with you? This one I'm talking to you and you're not responding. Is anything the matter? But I don't even need it. What is your problem? What is wrong with you? But I'm talking to you. Brother, you don't look happy. What is wrong with you? But are you not the one I'm talking to? This one you're not answering me. In fact, let me go and call Mama. Mama! 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 Oh! Mama! Mama! Oh! Mama, see, brother is back. I don't know what's wrong with him. I tried finding out from him what the problem could be. But he's not responding. He's not saying anything.
It's okay. I'll talk to him.
Okay, ma.
When did you come back? And what are you doing here?
I came back a few minutes ago.
What is it? You don't look happy. What is troubling you? Come and eat. Oh, later you tell me everything. Whatever it is, you tell me.
Mama, I'm not hungry. I lost my appetite.
You lost your appetite? You must not know Kambo. Eh? Taking a look at you, you're hungry. It's written all over you. Like I said, whatever it is, come, let's go in. Come and eat, oh?
Mama, something is bothering me. I am a barrow pusher in this village. I suffer to make peanuts. Yet my elder brothers, 2 of them, are living lavishly in the city. Throwing parties, they are everywhere on social media. To crown it all, they are planning to crown Papa with another chieftaincy title. While I am hungry I'm feeding from hand to mouth to their blood brother. I don't get it. It doesn't make sense to me. Each time I think about it, it makes me, as in, see, they should change. Else, if I become a kidnapper, I will start from them. There's no two ways about that.
God forbid. It will never be your portion. Chukwaju.
Amen. But at the same time, tell them to do the needful. My brother cannot be rich and I'm suffering. Because if I start, two of them, 150 million, and then they will give me the money. Since they are senseless. We are rich, your brother is poor. How do we explain that?
It's okay. Calm down.
What's the sense of money if you cannot help your family members?
I will talk to them.
No, I'm not in the mood.
Okay, kidnap Papa. God forbid. Chukwaju.
Babe, your face is not bright. What is it?
I need money.
You need money again?
Yes.
But I gave you money 3 days ago.
And so? Emeka, what is it? Am I not your responsibility? Is it not your place to give me money even if I ask for money every day of my life? But Emeka, so why are you complaining? You should be glad doing it.
Depending on my situation. I am a barrow pusher. You know how these things work. So I understand you're my responsibility, but please step. Besides, how much are we talking about? I mean, why do you need?
Well, you're supposed to give me like 50k. Yes, but you're going to give me 30k because I still have 20k from you when you gave me 3 days ago. I have a girlfriend from my maternal home. She's preparing for her trial and her white wedding. So I'm buying her shiri and also being her cheap bridesmaid. You know, as a beautiful girl, I don't want to miss this opportunity, so that's what I need money for.
Is the girl your cousin?
No.
This is not necessary. It's not favoring my pocket. Please. I don't have such amount now. Can you cancel the occasion?
No, why would I cancel it? Emeka, give me 10 reasons to cancel this occasion. You don't have money to give to me or what? No, don't tell me that. If you, my friend, don't touch me. If you don't want to give me this money, fine and good. There are other kids guys in this village. You can as well give me whatever I want. I blame myself for getting close to you.
Stop going. You can't do that to me. You want to do that? Don't break my heart. How can you even see yourself to pay it?
The money. Sandra, don't you think 30k is too much? Considering his occupation, Barrow pusher, where you go? Are you mad? Is he your boyfriend? Mba, Dima, answer me. Are you not dating my boyfriend for me? My friend, will you shut up? He's not your boyfriend. Okay, you're not going after my friend.
Don't add more salt to me. Stay clear, okay? Please, don't advise us, please. Stay clear. I understand that you have to go for your friends, but I don't have such a lot now, please. Okay. This is my last card, 17,000 naira. Manage it, okay? Let me run around the world. But please don't go to anyone.
I should not go to anyone.
That thing you said broke my heart. You must give me a Don't go to anyone, okay? It's very sweet. Trust me, this is my last time.
Look, you're serious about this 17,000 naira. So where do you want me to get the other money from? What do you want me to do with 17,000? You cannot even buy that shit. I don't need this money. Nonsense. Son. Why did you give him back the money? You said you don't need your money. Is he your boyfriend? Did I ask you? Did I ask you to assist me? It's Victoria now. Answer what? Start off this one. I am warning you for the last time. Look for the money and complete it. When is Victoria? I'm being amazing. Oh, wait, I need to hold something for you.
Sandra!
What is it? What is it? Why are you shouting my name, Sandra? Am I owing you?
Sandra?
Yes?
What was the meaning of what you did back there? Because you and I know that this money is not for Inu Ashwebi. Can you Jinatega? Who is doing Ashwebi? I'm not getting married. None of your cousin is getting married. So what is this money for? You're lying, Sandra.
What is your problem? I mean, what is the color of the problem you have with me? Is it your brother? Why are you getting yourself worked up over my own boyfriend, my own man? Is Emeka your brother? Or your relative? Why are you drinking Panadol over somebody's headache? Stop it. I didn't force him to promise me heaven and earth. And this is now for him to prove the love he promised me. You're here complaining. Ogini. Eh? What is it, Dimma? Stop it all. Leave me alone and leave my relationship alone. Allow me to handle him the way I want. Yes.
So because he asked you out, you now want to dry him up? Are you the one that is supposed to ask him out? So because he asked you out, you want to dry him? Is everything about money, Sandra? You know where go?
Yes. My dear friend, let me lecture you a little. The only thing sweeter than money is more money. And that is how it is. The only thing keeping this relationship is money.
If you stop now, you'll be following him up and down.
Yeah.
Sandra. It's better you leave this boy alone. Oh. You don't love this boy. Stop collecting his money. Rap with this boy. Is it this money that you're collecting from him? We know Emeka. I know Emeka Ofuma. This money, you will vomit it though. Now, tell me the truth. What is this money for? Because what is this money for?
You're asking me. Oh, but let me warn you. When next you want to ask me a question, you bring your voice down. I'm just going to answer because you're my friend and I like you so much. Well, since you care to know, I want to buy an iPhone. So, the reason I'm taking this money from him is so that I can, be able to gather enough money. Emeka, Emeka is so poor and wretched. So I don't want to ask him this money at once. If I do now, he will just faint. As soon as Sandra, one mama has committed murder. That's why I just want to gather this money little by little before you know it. I'll just get myself an iPhone as the happening baby in this village. You like that, right?
Sandra committed a murder already. Sandra! So it's iPhone that you want to buy? You don't see this boy. Sandra be dragging me. You don't even know if this boy has eaten. You didn't even ask him, baby, have you eaten?
No! What will I ask him if not money?
No,
so I should ask him for his life, his kidney, or he will give me long life and prosperity. Did you ask him if he has eaten? He should come and suck breast now.
Yes, in your gang.
What for?
Because you are eating his money.
Let me tell you. This money, I can only use it to buy an iPhone. Not like I want to use it to buy an apartment in heaven. It may go on in any way. Am I buying an apartment in heaven?
I do pity you. You see this money that you're eating, Sandra bets me you will vomit all of them. The day this boy will find out that you are not in love with it, that you're just eating him.
Your buff were there. He won't try it. Who is he? Do I look like I'm scared of him? Okay, let's watch and see. Till then, but for now, I'm gonna nap tear something. This is Sandra. Maybe go. Hi.
Because you cannot run faster than your shadow. One more, I watch a boss, I go mice. If I were a bit of no peace for weekend.
Sandra, have a good day.
Sandra, where did you get this money you're counting? Because as far as I know, you are not doing any work. The only thing you do is to wake up in the morning, take your bath, and move out of the house without going for any walk. And come back anytime you feel like. Am I not talking to someone?
Mama, leave me alone. Just happen my car. This is my money. And Ania, my friend gave it to me. Do I steal? And I'm a Zoshi.
Your friend? Which of your friends?
Emeka. Emeka gave me the money.
Which Emeka?
Oh, Mama.
Sandra, tell me who gave you this money? Which Emeka?
Emeka and Dikeh, Mazi Bekwe's son. Or do you need me to tell you the name of the ancestors?
You mean the wheelbarrow pusher? What for?
Mama, what's the meaning of these questions you're asking me today? Can't you see you have a beautiful daughter with all these assets? You're asking me how I make my money.
Wait.
Let
it not be what I'm thinking. I've been seeing you with that boy recently. What are you doing with him?
Mama is my friend.
Your friend? What kind of friend?
Mama, am I a baby? Huh? Look at me with all these assets. You're asking me what I'm doing with a man. Emeka is my boyfriend, Mama. Stop asking me. Am I not an adult?
Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Sandra, you are not telling me what I want to hear. Sandra, now you listen to me and listen good. You see this money you're collecting from that boy, Emeka? Make sure you abide by the rules and regulations that follows this money. Or be ready to pay him back his money. Failure to do so, anyway, I don't need to tell you who Emeka is. Sandra, stop collecting money from him. Stop collecting money from Emeka, Sandra.
Mama, nothing is going to happen. Inania, omo abe fele nkwando do wana toka pineapple. Iye mete noi, nana noi.
Sandra.
Yes, Mama, nothing will
happen. Iye mete noi, nana noi. Sandra, be ready to pay for anything you see, oh. Okay. Let me go to Obi, my friend's house. I'm coming back.
With all this, your plenty advice. If I ask you to give me this money, will you give it to me? Won't you ask me to go and work? And now somebody is giving me this money without stress. You are here stressing me. This money is not even complete, oh, and you are stressing me. Ha! Emeka should come and complete this money. Can I look one sort out for a reason? Look one. My finger.
Mama, it's like you are not getting what I'm saying. My brothers are planning to spend millions of naira on our father's chieftaincy title when I'm still a barrow pusher in this village. Misplaced priority. It doesn't make sense. I don't have a problem with the chieftaincy title, but spending such amount on chieftaincy title when I'm jobless and suffering is misplaced priority. I don't get it. Why? Why can't they help me? Are they not my brothers? Okay, man, wait. Let me ask you a question. Are you sure we are the same father, the same mother? Can Memo adopt? No. Maybe that's the problem. Was I adopted?
Why are you talking like this?
If I'm not adopted, so why are they treating me like this? You cannot be planning on spending millions of naira on Papa's chieftaincy title. I am not against chieftaincy title. But not when I'm still a barrow pusher.
Just calm down, please. I'll talk to them.
Mama, don't tell me to calm down. Listen, if we are the same father, the same mother, that I was not adopted, that means they must settle me. Else, Papa's chieftaincy title will not hold. That coronation will not hold unless they settle me. You cannot be throwing money around and your younger brother is suffering. Does that make sense?
It does not make sense. Okay, I've heard you.
Now, hey, I'll talk to him, oh. You don't want this can become. Eh? I don't even know what my husband sees in this chieftaincy title of a thing. Eh? He values it more than his life and the lives of his children.
What would a chieftaincy title? Eh?
Johnson and Paul, I called both of you here to discuss something very important with you. concerning Emeka. But before I proceed, I want to ask you both a question. Has Emeka in any way wronged both of you that I, your mother, do not know?
Mama.
No, Mama. Emeka has not done anything wrong to me.
He hasn't done anything to me.
Then what exactly is going on? Why have you both decided to allow him suffer? Why? Is there something you're not telling me? You want to lavish millions of naira just to get your father a chieftaincy title, yet your brother is a barrow pusher in this village, and you don't feel any way about it. You're not concerned. You're relaxed, you're comfortable. It's normal to you. Now tell me, how do you expect people to see you? What do you think?
Mama, as regards this particular issue, I have just one question I want to ask. And my question is this. Emeka is my brother. I have nothing against him. But this is it. Emeka did not go to school. Emeka also did not learn any trade. Not to talk of a handwork. So Mama, tell me. If he's been given money, what kind of business you think Emeka can keep up with? Because it's not about giving him money. It's about what he's going to use the money for. So as far as I'm concerned, since he has refused to go to school, neither to go learn trade, there's no business, there is no money.
Now let me also ask you, did you give him any money? And he told you he does not have any business to start with. Did you? You think he has no ideas? No business plans?
Mama, I think I have to solve this problem between God and Emeka. Okay, Emeka should go and learn trade or handwork.
Simple.
And serve for 5, 6, or 7 years. Once his Oga settles him, we can come in and support him with money.
That's it.
Patronize him, build him up. Mama, people, despite that, discontinue this conversation, because don't disturb me with this issue again.
I'm on the same page. Yes, Mama, I'm on the same page with brother here. He has said it all. So Emeka should go look for something to do. He should go learn trade or something, then we'll know where to go. Mama, I don't want to discuss this issue again. I don't want to discuss this issue again.
Mama, you sent for me.
Biko, sit down. My son, Biko, I want you to understand this thing I'm about to discuss with you now. I want of your number.
Mama, I'm all ears.
All right. I've discussed with your brothers as promised. And they said the only way they will give you money is if you will go and learn a trade. Or maybe serve under somebody. Maybe 5 or 6 years. As soon as you gain your freedom, they will give you money to support you. I don't know what you think about it.
Is that all they said? They should ask me to go and roll in toilet water now before they can give me money. I should go and do boy for 6 years. Look at my age. Add 6 years to it and tell me how far. If you are my Oga and they bring someone like me for you as boy, will you accept me? Look at my bears. Before 6 years, one month. It's obvious they don't want to help me. So they should stop looking for excuses. No problem. I've heard what they said. I'm off to work. No problem, Mama. No problem. I know what to do. Please. It's obvious that they don't want to help me. Mama, they don't want to help me. How can you be telling someone like me to go and serve someone for 6 years before you can give me money?
Please, just don't see it that way. Oh,
I shouldn't see it which way. My elder brothers are rich and I'm suffering in the village. And you expect me to be happy? If they are poor, that's a different ball game. Man, everybody goes banana. This one, they are doing well to do. They have over two private cars. They have their houses. But I cannot boast of 5,000 naira. And you are telling me I should come down. They said I should go for boy. There's no problem. You see money. I will make money. And trust me, I will shock Johnson and Paul.
Hey, please be careful.
Bro Emeka, see, if I'm asked to say, I will suggest you listen to Bro Johnson and Paul. They mean well for you. At least you can go to the city and make more money. Besides, I don't want anything to happen to you.
Who made you the special advisor on the boy affair? Kneel down there. I said kneel down.
But I'm not kneeling anything.
You said you wanted to talk to me.
Yes, it's about your so-called girlfriend, Sandra.
What about my girlfriend, Sandra?
I want you to stop spending money on her. She's not worth it.
It's the audacity for me. How can you tell me to stop spending money on my girlfriend? How?
Because she's not worth it. Emeka, I know you love her so much. And the love you have for her has blinded you that you cannot see. Let me ask you. Have you asked her or have you noticed something about her? Like, do you know if she loves you? Because I know she does not love you. She's just eating your money. She does not love you. Have you tried to find out yourself if she loves you? Use the money and do something important in your life. You need it more than Sandra needs it. Now you go cry. Don't worry, you will soon come and meet me.
That's not part of where they push. It's not possible. At all. You don't think the push can borrow. You mean Nataya they push. I don't see the building. How you take by the land first?
I got the land now.
See. Even if the golden borrow they push. You don't get this kind of.
I wonder.
Tell us the truth. What did you do? How come? How did the money take from? Tell us.
No, wow.
I beg.
I know you guys are surprised.
What do they do? Because obviously, this one know you Barrow pushing money.
America.
What do they do?
Carlo, please tell us now. Show us the way. You see the way we are looking now. We are not looking good at all. My friends, see, you know, a man needs multiple sources of income. Okay, now, bamboo.
Oga, how you take buy this land? Talk more of building. This can't borrow the push. Not be the same borrow all of us the push.
Look, we are not the same. I work 2 jobs. I work 2 jobs. I do wheelbarrow. On the other hand, I still do a night job. You understand? What kind of night job are you talking about?
Okay, after pushing Barrow by day for night, you go do vigilante?
Not vigilante, Mecca, Umila. By yes, now all abandoned.
You be thief?
Omila, thief.
You be a robber?
Why are you guys sounding?
God forbid.
What is God forbid there?
God forbid.
The God forbid, are you not seeing the evidence?
Even you and the house, God forbid. No wonder. So you the thief? Wait, tell me how.
Are you not guys seeing evidence? Eh? But this is good now, is it not good? Look, my friends, I'm even... The reason why I brought you guys here is because I want you guys to join me. I
say God forbid again. God forbid. God forbid. I don't go. Why I go become armed robber? What you went by?
What is there?
See, Emeka. I'm tired of all this suffering. And just look at the way we are now. We don't have anything.
You go die from a road. You're mad. You are in for what?
Emeka,
you don't answer whether the police catch you now. Okay, I don't say they rob. Police come, what you go do?
All right, Emeka.
You are in.
Emeka, you're always curious. Calm down. See, this line of business you need to be rooted in. Malondem had connections everywhere. Look, I have a policeman. You understand? That supplies me gun.
Yes. So you go to the robbery to gun?
No, you bomb my yes.
So let's assume you are robbing. Let's assume we are robbing and police come. What you go do? Answer my question now.
Come if no dog if man.
So you go open fire with the police?
Yes, anybody.
People go die.
Anybody. Now.
Congratulations. I don't come over for you.
Stop.
You stupid. You're only somebody say he's an armed robber. Calm down. Let's hear what you want to say. He's an armed robber. I am not interested.
Calm down, Emeka. I'm trying to bring you in.
Are you so enjoy? I wish you the best.
Leave him. This guy is always discouraging somebody.
You're very slow.
You like poverty. You like poverty.
Everything you are in. Are you deaf? He said he's an armed robber.
See your nika.
Emeka, your brother. Remember your brother. They don't want to
rather remain poor than do crime.
You like poverty, sir.
Emeka,
your
brothers are not doing anything. This way, Barrow will not help.
Enjoy the new career.
Emeka, go away. My friend, I'm trying to bring you into this thing.
Emeka likes poverty.
Leave him like that.
What kind of guy is this? My brother. What is the way forward? Me, I'm tired of this kind of life I'm living now. See my...
Biadima, what is your problem? What did I do wrong to you? Why are you spoiling things for me? What do you want to spoil everything that have to do with me? Why?
Why are you shouting?
Oh, I'm shouting.
Yes, now because you're not saying anything, you're just shouting.
I'm shouting. What did you tell my boyfriend?
Who's your boyfriend?
Oh, cut the pretense. Don't give me that look. You mean to tell me you don't know Emeka, my boyfriend, anymore?
I don't know your boyfriend.
You don't know Emeka?
You should have just called him ATM. Open it or ATM, I will understand what you're saying. Call him ATM, call him the name that you used to call him. Which one is boyfriend? I told him what I told him. Maybe he will reset your memory.
Is that supposed to be an insult to him? Why did you tell him that?
Sandra, you see this as an insult. But I told him so that he will start reasoning well. He has to be reasoning well. You're deceiving that young man, Sandra, and you know it. I told him to stop spending money on you.
You are stupid. Or your thinking faculty isn't working properly. Is Emeka your boyfriend? Is he your brother? What is your business in this whole thing? Why is it a problem to you if I choose to take money from my boyfriend or not? So why do you have problem with my boyfriend spending money on me?
Because you're deceiving him.
Do you give him what I give to him? What is your problem? If you're so concerned about me, why not get yourself another boyfriend? Maybe when you get a boyfriend, you stop him from spending on you. You don't cut my relationship and teach me what to do. Do you hear me? You're just a terrible friend.
You call this one relationship? This is money ship. It's money ship because it's money that you want from that young man. You don't love him. Stop deceiving him. Let him use his money and do reasonable things.
Call it whatever you want. The last time I checked, it was not your money. And it will never be your money. But I'm warning you. Stay away from me. I don't ever want to see you close to me. You're such a terrible human being.
I'm a bad person.
You are very, in fact, you are evil. Don't come close to me again.
You will come looking for me.
I don't need your friendship
You
anymore.
don't have any friend. You want a choice. You will come and meet me. I will be here. And I'm not supporting him, that's why I'm a bad person, no problem. But stop deceiving that young man. Let him use his money and do something reasonable, not spending on somebody that does not love him. That be a cultural true love. No, are you mad? Why do you talk like a woman? Something I told you in confidence that you're supposed to take in and take my advice and do something about it. You want to go and tell her. No, you run like a puppet to go and tell your girlfriend.
It is wrong to advise anybody that is in love. Did she fight you? Listen, let me warn you to avoid recharging you. Next time, mind your business. Don't advise anybody that is in love. I told you that the love of my life, we are together, we are enjoying life, and you are telling me that she's deceiving me. Even if she's deceiving me, let her deceive me in love. So rest your case. Don't advise us again.
Don't worry, you will come back and apologize to me. By that time, your eyes will open.
Leave us alone. They don't advise who they're in love. You don't hear? It's because you lack boyfriend in your life. Get a boyfriend first. I'm off here.
Well, I am happy for you. At least you've gotten this one chiefess that you want to have all this while. I'm happy for you.
Yes.
Do you need another thing?
What else do I want? I have to thank you and Paul, for the good job. Now I can gallivant. I can go to anywhere, any occasion. As a titled man, not just one title. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 titles. Anywhere. Thanks to both of you.
It's alright. I am happy you are happy.
Yes.
Father, let me rush and see the agents. The one I wanted to buy the land properties from. Okay. Let me go and sort of things with you.
It's alright. Make sure you settle down. Look at the documents very well before you sign up.
I will not make any mistakes. Father, this is not the first time I'm buying properties. Let me go.
Is that right?
Alright.
We're going to go well.
Yeah, let me go.
We're going to go well. Go well.
Papa, I want to ask you a simple question. Now that we have spent millions of naira for you to have another chieftaincy title, how does that make you feel? Did anything change in your life?
Are you blind? Can't you see the changes in me? You are even talking. What did you contribute? On that day, so the coronation, what did you contribute? Is it your wheelbarrow you are pushing that will be? My friend, get out from here. What are you talking about?
Your son is jobless. I'm a barrow pusher. Yet you have 5 chieftaincy titles to your name, and each one costs millions of naira. For me, it's a misplaced priority.
Really?
Yes, misplaced priority. Instead of you to tell my brothers to raise money for me, you are busy collecting chieftaincy titles. No problem. Just make sure you keep money before dying. I will say it on your better day.
Can't you see that you are too lazy?
Make sure you keep money, because if you die, you will keep the cows and everything we will use in settling all these titled men. If anything no problem. Make sure you have money.
Let me tell you, this is what you are saying, die. If you are planning to kill me, have you not seen children dying before their fathers? You can only live long if you pray for me to live long. If not, you will die before me.
You don't need prayers. One bar or FIFA. But make sure you keep money, because on your better day I will say it. They should bring all the money to settle them. I will not put 5 naira. Bet me.
See yourself, lazy man. It's like this wheelbarrow you're pushing has made you become a madman. You don't reason well again. Lazy man. Give me 1 million, 1 million.
Connecting chieftaincy. Where we barely.
You can't even walk. Very lazy man. Idiot. Look at you. Wheelbarrow pusher. Go to school, refuse to go to school. Give me 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. Why are you begging them for money? Idiot. I'm off here. Get out.
Oh my brother. Money did this thing, you know. You see how much you realize in last night?
Hey. See, let me tell you, I cannot ask you to enter this business with me if I am not making things.
My brother, he clear like DSTV.
God, if it's people, a cinema,
my brother,
if they play, if they show.
The money we made last night, if we were to be driving this thing continuously, 10 years, we can't make that money.
You're saying 10 years? Let me tell you, now, the decision that shapes a man's life is the risky decisions he takes.
No risk, no gain.
No risk, no gain. Understand me, my friend? See, now, Emeka is the loser.
My brother, just leave that one. I told you, Emeka and poverty is 5 and 6. You know, I saw him yesterday. He was looking so wretched and tired. Even me, I had to even hide. I did not allow him to see me. We were embarrassed.
Nobody identifies with a poor, wretched man.
See, as I'm like this now, it is better that I to take the risk or I die safe. If I don't have money, I'm useless.
I like the spirit, but you will not die. Who will I enjoy with?
My man, so what happened now? How is your project going, sir?
You see that my project is a small one. I'm planning another one. And there's something I want to tell you. There's this operation that is coming. Once we go this operation, hit. Now, if you want to build mansion, you build.
My brother.
Another thing is that me, we need this wheelbarrow work.
My brother, this one, I'm even tired. All this sun and everything.
Man, no suppose they suffer. I swear. See, there is no legal way to make money. Everything is by pure.
My brother, it's in as much as you did not kill anybody, safe.
Even if you have to kill somebody,
bam!
You understand?
My brother,
I will leave you.
My brother, I am resolute now. I'm not going back.
You see, as I'm pushing this wheelbarrow, I've been using it to connect bigger things, bigger ride.
My brother,
this one is a small ride.
I am ready for this.
The ride I'm bringing.
What don't you understand? You don't understand English? Or did I speak Latin? Okay, I'm so Igbo. Emeka may go. Give me money.
You know I'm a barrow pusher. I don't have such amount. You keep demanding for money. How much do I make daily? Calm down now. Okay, how much?
20K.
20K.
Yes.
For what?
10K for what? What do you mean for what? I need money.
Okay, baby, listen. I'm not ready for the school run, okay? My point is, stop demanding for money like this. I'm a barrow pusher, okay? But I will give you this money tomorrow.
Emeka, tomorrow? What happens today? What happens to giving me the money today? Why do I have to wait till tomorrow?
Why are you sounding like this? You need the money here now. Do I look like your bank?
Are you not
do
a
I
man?
move around with money?
Are you not a man?
So every man should have money on their own.
Yes, you should have money. Just give me the money.
Are you bent on having problems? I'll give you the money tomorrow. That's fair enough.
Emeka, give me this money today. Give it to me now. Now I'm here.
Starting when?
Starting now.
Okay, look at what.
Give me the money.
Look at what.
I will give you public embarrassment. Give me the money. Emeka, give me the money. I need the money. Are you not my boyfriend? Give me the money. Open that door.
Marcus, my God. Okay. I'm looking for you. This is where you are.
Hey!
Shut up. What is that?
This is not Carlo and Omona.
And so?
See how fine they are looking. You look at the cars.
Give me the motor. Stop.
I'm telling you, my brother.
I don't want to associate with you people. Simple. What is this?
Is this your car?
This is our new toy.
Hey, who owns this car?
Yes.
Hey, baby, look at their car. They have cars. And it's even Benzo.
This is where you're crossing.
Kalu, we actually saw you under the sun with your baby. I say, let's come here so that you guys can hop in. Let's paint the whole town.
Yes, now.
Make this thing clear enough. I cannot mingle with you people. I cannot accept your money from you. Why? Because I know you made this money illegally.
No, I'm going with them.
Calm down.
Baby.
Don't get me angry here. Don't get me angry here. You're going where? Do you know how they made the money?
But they say,
do you know their source of income?
Emeka, calm down, okay? Hop in the car, let's go and chill somewhere. Emeka, you safe, you and Sofa 5 and 6. So what is your problem, Seth? Hop in this car, let's go and chill out somewhere. You are here standing under the sun.
So please, take this drama off my face.
Emeka.
I've seen the cars, beautiful, but enjoy your money.
See, let's go and pay. You see what you are saying? Yes.
I beg, leave this guy there.
Enjoy.
I will rise above my challenges, rearrange my fate, yo, and destiny more. It is all in my hands, no condition is permanent in my life, oh, at all, oh. I must make it, yo. No condition.
You don't know this man. Run!
Emeka, what is it? You're not saying anything.
You were right after all.
Right about what?
Sandra never loved me. She was just fooling with my heart.
What did she do? How did you find out?
She dumped me for my colleagues. Why? Because they bought cars.
Wait, your wheelbarrow pushers, like your colleagues, they bought cars. How? How were they able to afford it?
If Sandra is aware of their source of income, she won't even go close to them.
I don't understand. Are you suspecting them of something evil?
I'm not in the mood of talking much. I'm heartbroken. Some other time, please.
Shebi, I warned you. I told you, but you told me to mind my business. Thank God you're the one that found out yourself.
I'm sorry, I never knew. I was blinded by love.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm sorry for yourself.
What is a girl like you doing with that type of guy?
I wonder.
Huh? A mixture of madness and poverty. Do you know that guy is mad?
Brother.
Do you know what he wanted to do to her? He would have destroyed our cars.
Just like
if
that.
If not that I just gave him the money that he was ranting that he gave you. That guy is mad. I'm telling you.
Honestly, I regret ever knowing him. But I know what his problem is. Poverty. You know these poor people and their thinking. They are not happy. They are always sad and ready to annoy you the more. That's his problem. But I don't blame him. Not like I like him. I've told him that I don't even like him. Not to talk of loving him. But he keeps forcing himself on me. I don't want him. I've told him, go your way. I don't need anything. I don't have anything to do with you. Gaba, leave me alone. He refused.
But why did you give him the money? You should have left him to continue ranting.
You call that ordinary ranting? Eh? That guy was ready to kill us there at that spot. Eh? If not for the money that he gave to him. Eh? But I blame you, Sandra. I blame you. What will you be doing with such a local primitive man like that?
It's not my fault. I think he used charms on me because I don't like him.
It's possible. It's possible.
Yes.
But then that's the end. That's the end. This is the end. I don't want to ever see you with that urchin ever again. That guy is too local and low for you. What can he offer you? A fine girl like you with this physique. Look, From now onwards, I'm in charge.
Exactly.
You understand? I'm here to spend on you. You deserve it. Take you around the world, do shopping for you.
I like that.
You start glittering. You're like gold that you are. I don't want to ever see you with that guy. From now onwards, you're mine.
There you go.
I want to spoil you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you already.
Yeah, that's
Baby,
more like it.
him at this life, Onyapa, Oponoza,
You need a guy that will pamper you, not a dangerous guy.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah?
That guy is too
when you
dangerous.
come home, my Okowa,
I love you already. I love you, baby.
Hey.
Johnson. I've been calling your line, yes. Oh, okay, I understand. It's a little thing, Shao, not very big. Yes. Oh, okay. It's with respect to that our meeting of titled men. Yes. The way they do it, each of the titled men will go to the village with a cock, very big parent cock, fowl, big one. Yes, as a requirement. And not that one alone, big fowl, then 5 tubers of yams. Yes. With a bottle of hot drink, for somebody of my caliber now, it's not those cheap ones, so very expensive drink, hot. Yes. Then cola nut, 7, just 7. Yes. Then what again? A carton of beer. Bottle one, that one that they don't return bottle. Yes. By my estimation, say about 950,000 naira. Yes, I spoke to Paul. He said he has no money, that business is not too good with him. What do you mean by that? It appears you don't understand the position of your father in this community. 5 titles, so 5. What do you mean I should forget about the meeting? No, now you can't talk like that. What do you expect my colleagues to say about me? No. Look, in 2 weeks' time, just 2 weeks, how do you expect me to raise the money without you? And Paul has no money to give to me. No, don't ever go there. I can't forget about this meeting. Johnson, this is your father talking to you, a titled man. Hello? Johnson! Johnson!
Papa! Papa, what is wrong with you? What is it, Papa? Papa! Mama! Mama, come on! Mama! I don't know what is wrong with Papa! Papa, see you, I don't know. Papa just fell off. I don't know, he just fell down. Papa! Help! Piano! Oh, please get up.
Chimo!
I will rise above my challenges, rearrange my fate, and destiny more. It is all in my hands, no condition.
Emeka, this one your face is like this. Are you okay? Or are you still grieving about Sandra?
Dima, I'm not happy. My father is at the hospital as we speak. I'm going to raise the money the doctor demanded. It's not funny.
What happened? What happened to him?
I don't know. My mother said he was on the phone. All of a sudden, he shouted. She now came out and saw him lying down on the floor. That was how she shouted, and people came and helped her, bringing him to the hospital.
Just like that?
Yes.
He will be okay. He will be fine. And where are you going to now?
We're going home to go and raise the money now. My mother said if not for our neighbor's intervention, that my father would have been dead by now.
God forbid.
They came and rushed him to the hospital.
My father will not die in Jesus' name.
Amen.
He will be fine. You will look on your own.
No problem.
Sorry.
Thank you.
We'll look on your own.
No condition is permanent. Everything we change in God's time. No condition is permanent. Everything we change in God's time. I must make my stand in a go. Oh yeah, menu wanike. No condition is permanent. Everything we change in God's time. No condition is permanent. Everything we change in God's time.
Hello, Johnson. I'm not fine. Papa is sick and he's at the hospital. The doctor said we should bring 70,000 naira immediately. Eh? You will send it. Please hurry because I'm on my way to the hospital. Mama is even there as we speak. Send the money now, please. Hope you've seen what hope you've seen what you cost. Chieftaincy title. Now Papa is down. I'm waiting for you.
Why have you people not paid the money I asked you people to pay so we can commence the treatment? Your husband's health is getting worse.
Doctor, please, go ahead with the treatment. My son has gone for the money. I don't want anything to happen to my husband. Please.
Nothing will happen to him. But you have to pay the money so we can commence the treatment.
I promise you he's coming with the money. I promise. He will soon be here. Just go ahead and treat him, please. Biko.
I will get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me.
Alright, thank you.
Hello.
Please come and check. I don't understand the way he's breathing. Please. Doctor is here.
Madam.
Doctor.
Where is your son?
I asked him to go get food for him so he will eat when he wakes up.
Okay. As soon as he gets back, tell him to see me.
How? Doctor, what is going on? Talk to me. He's my husband.
I'm sorry.
How do you mean you're sorry? How do you mean you're sorry, doctor? What is it?
Well, madam, he couldn't make it.
What? Husband? Doctor, please do something help me. Doctor, because my husband. No! No!
Hurry up now. Are you cooking for the whole village? This one Mama is crying out. I hope Papa is still alive.
Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it? How is Papa? Like, is everything alright? Mama, why are you crying? Mama, how is Papa?
Oh my God,
Mama, is everything alright? Why are you crying?
Father is dead.
Chieftaincy title.
Mama, are you sure? Are you sure Papa is dead?
Well, my brothers, I called this meeting so we can discuss about Papa's burial. So we can make arrangements. Our kinsmen, our friends and families are asking questions. I don't even have answers to them. So that's why I called this meeting, so we can discuss about this whole thing.
Well, but I think the first thing is to go to the Reverend Father, pick up a date, and then come back home and outline the budget.
Oh, yes, you have a point. So why don't you go and meet the priest, discuss with him.
Brother Kinki now. We have a tradition. You are the first son, and it's your responsibility to go to them, get this whole thing done, and come back to us.
It's alright. I will go and see him later today.
What is this obsession with spending too much money in burials? You are eager to see the budget, bring the budget, meet them, you want to pay. I have heard you making calls for expensive drinks. When Papa was alive, how much did he eat? Yeah? I've been wasting in this village, doing nothing. You people refused to support my life. Now Papa is dead. You are eager to spend millions, no problem. But let me also remind you, Papa has so many chieftaincy titles. When you people were bestowing those titles on him, even this one that led to his death, I kicked against it. But I didn't go Bonye. I said it, all these chieftaincy titles are not necessary. You will settle all of them, they will bring their list. They will bring out their own money too.
That is not a problem. We'll get to that bridge to cross it.
You are always eager to spend money.
Brother, yes, we did.
Baby, what are you doing here?
What are you saying? We are here to sympathize with you on the death of your father.
Why? Did I call you to say my father is dead? Did I text you that I lost my father? I didn't put on wine. So what are you people doing here?
Emeka, please wait.
I should wait and do what?
I
said go, Nari!
Emeka, please, you have to calm down, okay?
Don't get me. Leave this place, else I will do something that all of us will regret. I said leave!
Let's go.
I said leave!
Emeka, let's go.
Emeka, stop it! Leave!
What's the problem now? Emeka! Hey! Emeka! Hold him! Emeka! Stop it! Emeka, stop it! Emeka, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Emeka, what Emeka is doing? What's wrong with you now?
Leave this place!
Bros, go! Naban, go! Hold him!
Useless set of people.
What is it now? Emeka, leave this one out. Why are you chasing them? These are the set of people you need in Papa's burial.
Who told you? Who told you? I don't worship money like you. These people are evil. Their source of income are dirty. So I won't have anything to do with them.
But they are your friends. What is the problem? What's wrong with you? What did they do to you now?
Did you settle me?
Thinkable, did you settle me on this one?
You are now holding me. How do you know that these are the type of people I need? Do you know their source of income? If I tell you what they do for a living, you will avoid them.
Well, at least you're your friends. Emeka,
leave this.
What did they do to you now?
Leave this now.
Emeka,
I'll be back.
What? Emeka, yeah.
Very stupid. Biaba!
Emeka!
Biaba! Biaba!
Obonna, hello. I'm not happy. The way Emeka is running his mouth all over this village, saying things. Huh? We need to deal with this guy. The earlier the better. Before this guy will expose us.
And you know, from the way he was sounding the other time, it is obvious that he might tell somebody about the business we do.
Do you think they will believe him?
There is every possibility that they will. We have to do something.
You mean Emeka said all that to you?
Yes.
What kind of business do you two do?
Babe, you know now what we are into street.
Street?
You know what I mean?
Yahoo, trading and all of that.
Yeah. You know the reason why I'm telling you this is you are now part of us. You know it's an illegal thing.
But it's not a bad business now.
You see, that's why I like you.
I like it though, and I'm interested. I want to be part of you people.
No.
What is it?
I
know you don't want your woman to.
No, I don't want you to stress yourself. I don't want you to. I cannot be doing this business and you're doing the business. No. It doesn't work that way. Your job is just to ask me for money. Anytime you need money, the money is there. If you need transfer, if you need hard cash, I'll give it to you. That's why you're my baby.
Yes, now.
To spoil me.
Chai.
You deserve every bit of it.
I like the sound of that.
You love it.
Hey, God told me, I am happy.
Carlo Yego, the money man.
This girl, please bring the meat and the fish.
Carlo Onyego.
Well, my brothers, I called this meeting so I can tell you what I got from the list of things to buy for Papa's burial. And I'm able to get a total of 8.6 million naira. Yes.
8.6.
Exactly. So,
fair enough.
We have to share it so we can know how to move forward. Papa is a great man.
Yeah.
He was a great man when he was alive. And he had so many chieftaincy titles. So we need to give him a befitting burial.
Okay. 8.6 million is not too much for Papa. So, brother, what happened is, let's start from Emeka. Let's see what you can offer. Then we will now know where we can complete the money.
Exactly.
Why will you start from me? Why will you start from me now? We will spend millions of naira on Papa's burial. We will spend millions of naira on Papa's burial. How Papa did How much did he eat when he was alive? Anyways, we have 8.6 million naira there already. I will keep it. Then me, myself, I will run around and see what I can raise to support it.
Okay, Emeka, when will you give her this money? Because we don't have time. We need to contribute this money as soon as possible.
Are you mandating me? Abonyo work our best. I said I will run around and get back to you. Are you my destiny? Do you know how much time I need to run around? Calm down now. After all, when Papa was busy collecting all those chieftaincy titles, I kicked against it. I said those things are not necessary. Now we'll be giving cows to different groups. No problem. 8.6 million. I will run around and see what I can do.
This is not time to quarrel or begin to talk about what has happened in the past. What we're saying is, when will you contribute yours? Because we have time frame here.
Exactly.
We have limited time.
Are you my destiny? When will I bring my own? Are you forcing words? You want me to start saying what I'm not sure of? If I said I will run around, which one is I should tell you when? Are you trying to force me into saying something I'm not sure of?
So you run to say around for 1 year. We'll keep it in 1 year, Makani. Anyway, brother, no problem.
It's okay. Emeka, it's 8.6 million. So please try your best to get us this money. We need to buy things on time. Things are very expensive.
Inside the 8.6 million, Emeka will take 1.5. Then you and I can complete the remaining one.
Why will I bring 1.5 million? Am I the one that killed Papa? Don't get me angry. Even our whole Wheelbarrows Association, do we have up to 1.5 million naira? How do you give it now? I bring 1.5 million. Pay it, give it to me and let me pay. Why will a Barrow pusher get 1.5 million naira? Don't get me angry. If we are done with this meeting, 10 minutes, let me leave this place.
Did Papa not train you?
Why will I bring 1.something million?
Are you not a beneficiary?
Am I the one that killed him?
Emeka, go and borrow money now. What are you saying?
Where?
1.something million. Muna gige with 8 million.
Barrow Association,
7 million.
I said, I should bring 1.something million. Don't get me angry.
No, get angry if you want. Get angry if you want. 1.something million. You want to get angry. I want to with 7 million. Are we fools? Emeka.
Did you hear what he asked me? If I'm into kidnapping. Gwenolia, just because they asked him to. Have you seen it? No, look at him. Running to and fro, Obalobago, Obalobada. But to pay common 1.5 million here, he's here insulting everybody for 1.5 million.
1.5 million naira, kill you there. Where will I get that from? Amonyohi. Where will a Barrow pusher get 1.5 million naira from? Well, we are raising millions of Papa's banner. When he was alive, how much did he eat? Nonsense. Don't.
See, it is very clear that both of us will contribute to this. I don't know the plan of this boy. I've told you what I have. Chief, for your query. I was looking around to see Chief Myers.
Oh, I'm sorry, please. He came to my place. According to him, he had an emergency. So, at the end of this meeting, I will tell him the outcome.
Okay. You're welcome once again. I invited you here to inform you concerning our late father's burial. Okay. The total budget we have for this burial is 8.6 million naira. And of course, we'll choose a date already, which is on 19th of this month, in 2 weeks' time.
I heard what you said, Johnson. Your meeting with your brothers went well. But my question is, what about the money? Is it complete so that we know that everything is in order?
Let me chip in something.
Okay.
We have raised 8.6 million naira. Verbally, there is no cash. Now, what can I do? It's only on that paper. So we've not seen a dime. And for me, that is not arrangement. I have decided to support our late father's burial with the sum of 2 million naira cash. Huh? Not 2 million naira in paper or check.
Jesus Christ.
2 million naira cash, that's my own contribution. But it has little clause.
Johnson, open the lesson.
Brother. 2 million. Emeka. Jesus. It's true. You're going to be Barrow pusher.
Emeka. You get 2 million. If a dollar na
hey! You, a Barrow pusher, brought 2 million naira for your father's burial.
The way people see barrow pushers as, do you know how much I make every day? Barrow pusher. 1 trip is 2.5. If the goods is up, 6.5. Do you know how many times I go a day? Forget that thing. So as I was saying, but I'm bringing this money on one condition.
Which condition?
Good. They should bring their own and pay. In fact, they can pay into your account. But when risk, I don't know how heavy your family problem is. So to be on a safer side, let them pay it into my account. With that, we all will be rest assured that this money is in my hand and every expenses will be coming from one source. For accountability and transparency. That is the condition. Because I will not bring my own money and give to somebody else while you are writing your own on the paper. No.
Simply, you don't trust your brothers.
Trust the guy. Yeah. I don't know what they do for a living. I don't trust them. They're my brothers, but trust Adre.
Johnson, you are their elder brother. You're heading well. What do you think?
Ichie, what do you want me to think? I am beyond shocked seeing this. Emeka of all people raised 2 million naira for our father's burial. I am shocked. And yes, I agree with what he said. So we are going to pay all the money into his account for transparency and accountability. That wouldn't be a problem. Paul, brother, you're going to pay in 3 million into his account, while I pay in 3.6 million into his account, so that we can do all these things. I mean, I am beyond shocked to see that Emeka did this.
No, honestly, but I'm shocked too. If you say so, I will pay mine tomorrow morning.
Good.
Our wife, you heard everything. Are you okay with this meeting, all the conversation?
Yes, it's okay.
My mother is fine. Mama, do you have anything to say, to add to it?
No.
My mother is okay. My mother is fine.
Emeka.
Now we'll go back and don't. Again. I'm a wheelbarrow pusher. I must be in a motor. Where are you going to would have invested into the wheelbarrow and I get you like 5 wheelbarrows.
Yeah, Emeka, so you have to pay in this into your account.
Okay.
Put it into your account.
Okay.
We'll pay everything.
It's not a problem. Mine is your own corner carnage. So bring yours first. It may be me going to talk. Maybe more. It's
okay.
We are going to send the money.
When? I ain't cap. No, fuck a lot. My mother me for now. Tomorrow first.
I heard the news of your father's death. It's so shocking. So he didn't survive this sickness.
My father is dead and gone. He didn't.
Have you practiced the date of his burial?
No, we're still on it. No, it's not easy. He has so many chieftains to say.
No problem. When you practice the burial, just let me know. Maybe I'll just...
No problem. I'll let you know when the date is.
Take care of yourself because he's looking on you already.
I'm found there. I don't even know what to say. You know, my father was... What be this?
Okay. So you have the effrontery to insult me in this village. You, Oboye Dikeh, huh? Listen to me. Your name is already in my black book. I will deal with you in this village. I will tell you the reason why they call me sharpshooter.
I'm scared. Oh, sorry, sir. You are an idiot. A bleached one at that. Who do you think you are? Because of the dirty money you made? Listen, people like me don't worship money. If you like, be the richest man on earth. To me, you're still a fool. Because the money is dirty, the source is dirty, you are dirty. What's your problem? Get out. Don't touch me. Don't worry. Get out of this place before I set you on this cattle ablaze.
I know your problem. Your problem is poverty. But I will deal with you. I will tell you the reason why they call me sharpshooter. By the time I'm done with you, you will disappear from this village. Bet it.
Get away, my friend. Bleached idiot. Get the woman again. Skincare routine, Google. Bleach more now. Animal. This one. I will set him on this cattle ablaze. A criminal must present himself. Dirty money. I even bragging on top. How about that? You think I worship money? You cannot move me to like to buy a helicopter. You are a point here. I'm not here. Look at this one. If I touch me now, look at money here. I beg the sister tomorrow.
This is 5 hours. 5 hours and he's not yet back. Can you imagine? I don't understand this.
This is serious.
And
all the money is in his account.
Yes, he is calling. Hello, Emeka. Emeka, what is your problem now? Why are you keeping us here since morning, waiting for you? What? You're not Emeka? Can you just give the phone to Emeka? Let me talk to him. What? Kidnap?
What?
Jesus Christ!
What's Jesus Christ? What are you shouting?
Oh my God. Kidnappers, they kidnapped Emeka.
Jesus Christ.
I am telling you as a
They did what?
Yes, as a matter of fact, they said they killed Emeka. They asked us to come to Ekulu Market Bush and pick his corpse. What? Yes.
I heard you calling Emeka. Hope everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is fine, Mama.
Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, everything is fine. Mama, just go inside and rest.
Everything is fine.
Yes, go inside and rest. Everything is fine.
Mama, we're coming. Yeah?
Where are you going? I thought you said everything is fine.
Everything is fine, Mama.